Hello everyone and welcome to the lecture on AWS IQ. So this lecture will contain all these topics: what is AWS IQ, step-by-step process, customers and experts, information for experts, understanding permission request in AWS IQ. So what is AWS IQ? AWS IQ is a service that links you with AWS certified experts who can provide hands-on help for your AWS projects. These experts have verified AWS skills and can assist you with various AWS related tasks. To start using AWS IQ, you create a project request detailing your needs. This request outlines the specifics of your AWS project and the type of expertise you are seeking. After submitting your request, experts will respond. You have the opportunity to compare different experts and chat with them about your project before making any payment commitments. This allows you to find the best fit for your needs. Once you have selected an expert, you will agree on their proposal. This includes project milestones, maximum payment, and the terms of the engagement. Only after you have agreed to these details can the expert begin working on your project. If required for the project, you can grant the expert appropriate permissions to your AWS account. This allows them to perform the necessary work directly within your AWS environment. After the expert completes the agreed upon project milestones, you pay them directly for your AWS account. This streamlined payment process integrates with your existing AWS billing. So step-by-step process. So this is a typical step-by-step workflow. So you begin by creating a detailed request outlining your project needs and requirements, and this helps AWS experts understand your specific situation and how they can assist you. After you submit your request, you will receive responses from qualified AWS experts. You take your time to review their proposals, expertise, and rates to find the best match for your project. Then you choose the AWS expert whose skills, experience, and proposal align best with your project goals and the budget. This step ensures you are partnering with the right professional for your needs. Once you have selected an expert, they will be granted secure access to your AWS account as required. This allows them to work directly on your project while maintaining the security of your AWS environment. After the work is completed to your satisfaction, you will pay the expert through the AWS IQ platform. This streamlined payment process ensures a smooth and professional transaction. So, in AWS IQ, we refer to customers, experts, and companies. As a customer, you create an AWS IQ request or create a request directly to a company. An expert provides hands-on assistance to a customer through the customer's request. An expert must have an AWS certification and can work for a third-party company. Can be from the company directly or can be a freelancer also. So information for experts in case you want to apply as an IQ, like as if you want to work as a freelancer or work for the IQ and you want to work for freelance projects. So if you are based in an eligible jurisdiction supported by AWS Marketplace, you can sign up to be an expert. You must have an AWS certification to respond to customer request. AWS IQ is open to individuals and companies. Companies can create a seller account to handle payments, and employees within the company each create a profile, or all employees can share company details. An eligible jurisdiction for paid products. To sell paid software in AWS Marketplace, you must be a permanent resident or a citizen in one of the following countries, or SARS, or a business entity organized or incorporated therein. And this is the list. So this is in alphabetical order: Australia, Bahrain, European Union member state, Hong Kong SAR, Israel, Japan, New Zealand, Norway, Qatar, Switzerland, United Arab Emirates, United Kingdom, and United States. So understanding permission request in AWS IQ. Experts might request a permission policy to access your AWS account and complete the necessary work. The level of access required depends on the scope of the project. AWS IQ simplifies the process of granting access to experts, which allows experts to implement projects in your account more easily. AWS IQ creates an IAM role for the expert to use for the duration of the proposal. This ensures that the expert has the necessary permission to complete their work. You can view AWS CloudTrail logs of the expert's activity in your account. This allows you to keep track of what the expert is doing within your AWS environment. Access is automatically revoked at the completion of the proposal when the final payment is made. You can also revoke access at any time if needed. An expert might include details about why they are requesting a certain level of permissions. This helps you to understand the reasons behind their access request. To get started, you can review the information in the permission request, then choose the permission request in the Aws IQ console and select accept or decline. So based on they will make a request, you can see what they have requested, or you can assist them in getting the required permission. But since they are expert, they will be knowing, like based on your business requirement, like let's say they want to work with EC2, S3 or some other Lambda service or some other service, they will be filling up like what all access they need, and you can accept or decline. And that's all. Thanks for watching.